Multiple if conditions, without nesting. I have a sample piece of code below that I need some help on. The code sets the outcome variable to false in the beginning and only should become true if all the if conditions are met. Is there a more efficient way of doing this? I am trying to avoid nested if statements. Thanks.
I would write it like this. So the function ends once it encounters an error, and the most likely error should be on top, and if it encounters that error, it will return false and end the function. Else, it will check for all the other errors and then eventually conclude that the outcome is indeed true.
Hackiest way of doing this as per user request, not recommended though. There are many ways to use structures if you are only looking to understand them. Functions like zip or list comprehension can be used once you convert to list. Used list to keep positions intact.
Or another way.
Вот,